gonna start today's video with sharing some pictures of my powder room makeover last year. This is my powder room downstairs and it's really dirty and you know I've been traveling a lot and it shows. Okay, so a while ago I purchased this from a company called Color Ribbon. Yeah, I don't know if it's, let me turn on the light. Alright, is that better? I don't know. I don't like the shininess. I mean, I knew it was wallpaper, but to me, I feel it looks cheap. Let me know what you think in those comments. Today I am joining Second Chance Love in North Carolina Mountain Mama to co-host the Cozy Fall Decorate with Us, along with some other very awesome creators. We are showing you some fall decorating inspiration. Links to everyone's channel will be in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So please stop by and show us all some love. So after a thorough cleaning, I am going to move on to the fun part, and that is decorating. I wanted a mixed metallic moment in my powder room. So that is what I am putting together for fall. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this powder room together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about the items that I've used. Seen this before. It was one of my Z Gallery dupes, and I'm gonna put this right here on the back of the tin. Mixed metals with the artwork. I'm going to use gold and silver accessories. And then if you remember from my haul, I had these gold little curly stems that I got from Goodwill. So I'm gonna add these to this vase right here. It also had the sticks in it, and I liked it all. $1.99. Okay. Over here on the top here from that same haul video, I have these black vases. Gold dripping down the side. Put up this artwork like that, and right here on the sink side, I'm going to switch out some accessories. I am so in love with this mixed metallic look that I also used it in my master bedroom and bath, and you'll see that in another video coming up. This artwork I used to have hanging in my entry hall, and it is absolutely beautiful. I picked up both art pieces from Burlington a while back on sale. The vase I got from the at-home store, I believe it was last year, and the rest of the items are thrifted, already had on hand, or DIYs. So I hope you like this beautiful black and mixed metallic powder room that I've put together for fall. Please let me know what you think in those comments. And if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And let me take this opportunity to thank my talented co-hosts, Second Chance Love, North Carolina Mountain Mama, Bonnie's Bargains, The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, Giselle Virali, Jean E., Leslie Waz, and Good Home. Thank you so much for the invitation to co-host with you. And if you haven't had a chance to check out their channels, do yourself a favor and check them out and let them know that Amethyst sent you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you love this fall powder room. Let me know what you think in those comments. I hope this gives you inspiration to start some fall decorating in your home. Until next time.